We'll answer this one. What set of numbers make up the range of the linear function y equals 2x minus 1 if the domain is 2, 4, 6, and 8? Okay, so first kopyahin muna natin yung ating linear function na y equals 2x minus 1. Then yung first domain natin is 2. So y equals 2 times yung x natin, replace natin ng 2 kasi yun ang domain. First domain. So 2. So minus 1. So y equals 4 minus 1. So y equals 3. Okay, so take note sa choices natin. Meron na lang tayong B and C kasi merong 3 yan. So eliminate na natin yung A at saka yung D. Okay, next domain is 4. So y equals 2x minus 1. Y equals 2 times 4. Yung second domain, minus 1. So y equals 8. 2 times 4 is 8, sorry. Minus 1 is 7. So 3, 7. So andyan pa rin si B at saka si C. Next domain, y equals 2x minus 1. So yung next domain is 6. Y equals 2 times 6 minus 1. So y equals 12 minus 1. Y equals 11. Okay. So next or last domain yung 8. Y equals 2x minus 1. So y equals 2 times 8 minus 1. So y equals 16 minus 1. So y equals 15. Okay, so therefore yung range natin is 3, 7, 11, and 15. So letter B is the correct answer.